What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I want to give you an update about my MT82, the transmission in my 2014 Ford Mustang GT track pack. And I have uploaded a video maybe a week or two ago regarding issues with my MT82. I got some crunchy noises. I got some very bad feedback from the transmission, from the shifter. And if you haven't seen the video, go check that out. Obviously, I'm going over everything from, A to Z regarding the complaints that I have and then the options that I have for fixes. So I got an update from the transmission tech at Town & Country Ford here in Birmingham, Alabama. And the feedback was that I have either a cracked or chipped gear, and that there's definitely some contact of the gears. So definitely not good feedback there, but something that I had expected already. So they say that there's no direct performance issues at this point. I could probably continue to drive the car as I've been experiencing this issue for a few weeks, but I don't want to, break more within the transmission. I don't want to make it worse, and I don't want to, just kind of wait it out for something to happen. So the different options that I had was really, I think, 4 options. I could get an OEM replacement. I could rebuild my transmission. I could get a full aftermarket replacement like a Tremec, and then I could get a used part. And going back through those options, I'm definitely not going to replace it with a used part with the same links, with the weak links that are going to break down the road again. So that's really not an option anymore. I also don't want to do an OEM replacement because I, once again, don't want to replace it with weak parts. So I really just have the rebuild or the Tremec, and between the two, a Tremec is really, really expensive. If you look into that, you are going to look at probably, I don't know, $5,000, $6,000, maybe $7,000 just for the replacement transmission, and that's without really replacing it in the car. So there's definitely cheaper options like the rebuild, which I am opting for. So I'm going to get a rebuild transmission through Calimer Transmissions. I believe they are located in Pennsylvania, and they are really, really renowned for rebuilding transmissions, and especially the MT82. When I posted about this issue, so many of you guys reached out, and those were the top 2 options. It was the Tremec or the Calimer transmission. And looking at the price difference and knowing that, they are so renowned to rebuild these transmissions, and me just wanting to get my daily fixed and make it really, really strong, I think it's the best option. So long story short, I'm going to go through Calimer. I have already ordered my transmission package. I am opting with the stage 2, and I will give you more information on this once the transmission is here and we are actually having it replaced on the car. So I think it will be very, very interesting for a lot of you guys because as I said, once I posted about this issue, there was so many of you that reached out regarding having the same issues, what I should do, what options I have, and so many guys were saying, do Calimer, do Calimer, do Calimer. So I had endless messages about this. So I think it is the best option. I'm going to take you along for the ride with this. So the whole process is super interesting as well. You basically get a crate shipped to you if you chose to do that, and then you just send your transmission to them. They rebuild it and they send it back, and the turnaround time is really not bad. I think it's 3 to 5 days on the stage 1 and 2 packages. So really looking forward to get the replacement and to get a car that's really, really solid again. I'm also going to go with an upgraded clutch to match the rebuild transmission, so we are all solid on the other side of this. And yeah, obviously it comes with a new flywheel as well. And then we should be really good with that new transmission. And now we gotta just hope that the engine's not gonna make any issues. But other than that, the bottom end is gonna be perfect, and it's gonna be hopefully like feeling like brand new. So super, super excited about this. I will keep you updated. And if you got any similar issues, experiences whatsoever, please drop it down in the comment section. I'm super excited to, you know, help some of you guys, but I'm sure there's a lot of people that can help me as well. So let me know what your experience on this topic is, and I'll see you in the next one.